In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Themes and either pick one of those by tapping on the best one, or click on this icon with a shirt and a plus. To select one of the available ones by tapping on a perfect one for you, like this one, hitting download and tapping apply. If you want to customize it though, you can also go back to the same settings and this time select this icon of a photo under Customize Themes. Then hit Allow All and pick a photo you wish to use as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, rotate it and drag it to move. When you finished, hit Next. Then adjust all of those available options however you want to. First of all, select one of those shapes or one of those popular keys options. I will go with those. Then adjust opacity thanks to this slider. Click on Font, pick a perfect one, swipe to pick one of those options, color and even brightness of your keyboard, blur and opacity as well. Click on Effect, apply the best one, like this one, and it will be visible every time you will press a key. If you want to disable or enable key-press bubbles, click on this switcher. Sorry, misclick. Now you can also select sounds and pick one of those if you want to hear a sound every time you will press a key. If you don't, select this mute button or this one with standard key effect. Either way, to save your keyboard, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!